Dentistry has evolved because of the advancement in the technologies, and a lot of materials and machinery have improved over the years. We at SRM, we have the infrastructure to train the students with the advanced technology. We have a CAD/CAM facility which the students are trained to use a CAD/CAM facility, which not many institutions in this country boast about. We have the latest aligners which we are using for treating patients with malocclusion, as we call it. We have wonderful labs where high-end equipments are there and simulation-based learning is happening in this campus. SRM Kattankulathur Dental College. We can proudly say that we are attached hardly 50 meters away from a super specialty medical hospital. The medical hospital offers a wide variety of patients, so our students are exposed to all the problems related to the human body, and treating them becomes very challenging. The diversity that we have in this campus and the collaborative work in research, which is stand out today because all our undergraduate students have got ICMR projects, STS projects. They get grants from the Chancellor. Chennai is going to be the health hub of the world. Chennai has got the maximum infrastructure towards the medical treatment facility. Similarly in dentistry, we have a lot of dental institutions in the city. But what would probably stand out is the training that each college imparts. All these happen because of the facility that this campus offers. I think definitely our students will definitely stand out in society.